KFG weather overview. Socked in with clouds. We've got this frontal system that's just kind of sitting over the area, not really wanting to budge. And this is going to take a couple days to wash out. And I think that as a result, we'll basically be sitting in these clouds, and we'll have some showers, a few passing showers that move through. Now, one of those passing showers, or pretty copious amount of showers over southern New Jersey, passed through this morning, and it skirted the south shore of Long Island. And that's going to be the overall theme of the forecast over the next 24 to 36 hours. The areas that got heavy rain this morning are in line to get heavy rain again tonight into Friday, while areas just to the north, including the metro area, will see lesser amounts. But still, we're going to be dealing with these passing showers as these little ripples of low pressure move along the frontal boundary. And you can see that already in northern Maryland and central and south central PA, you can see already that we are starting to see those showers bubble up, and those will probably be moving through late tonight. In fact, the GFS does move them through tonight. You can see that as we get into the overnight hours, it starts to produce showers area wide, and those showers linger into tomorrow morning. So by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, you could be waking up with plenty of showers around and clouds with temperatures stuck in the low 70s. And then off the playing field it goes, but a new round of showers is expected to develop, at least as far as the GFS is concerned, for tomorrow night into Saturday. So have the umbrella handy if you're out and about, as they say in the trade. And that'll be moving off. And then Saturday, Sunday, we're setting ourselves up for a decent weekend. With this high pressure situated over Pennsylvania the way it is, you're not going to get terrible amounts of humidity. It will be moderately humid, but the humidity does start to build back in earnest by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then we got to wait for a frontal boundary to come through Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, with perhaps some showers and thunderstorms moving through and reducing our humidity somewhat for next week. Temperatures right now, they're still stuck in the 70s, but we will see some breaks of clouds develop from time to time over the next couple of days. So some areas could come in with a little bit higher than 80 degrees if we get the right amount of sunshine. Now, Friday, we have temperatures that are going to be around 80. Saturday, it looks like improving skies, temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Same with Sunday. I think these temperatures, this will be the warmer of the 2 days, with leftover clouds on Saturday, less so in the way on Sunday. Monday, we get into the humidity with highs in the mid to upper 80s. Same thing with Tuesday, with highs in the mid to upper 80s. And finally, the most humid day of the week probably will be Tuesday and again Wednesday. And typically before these fronts come through, the humidity likes to spike. And I think that's what we'll probably see next Wednesday before that shower and thunderstorm chance starts to move in through the area again by the middle of next week. So all in all, not a bad stretch of weather in the wake of the tropical storm. And for more on the tropical storm and what you can expect for the rest of the hurricane season, check out the video below this one.